predecessors for 400.
Salaf for 400. He was the teacher of Imam Abi Hanifa rahimahullah.
Teacher of Imam Abu Hanifa. Sayyidina Abdullah ibn Mas'ud.
No, that is not the correct answer. We will go to Abdul Latif Darus Salam. He was the famous teacher of Imam Abu Hanifa rahimahullah.
Teacher?
Yes.
I do not know.
Okay, no problem. Muhammad Isha. Who was the teacher of Imam Abi Hanifa rahimahullah?
Imam al-Shafi'i.
Imam al-Shafi'i? No, but that's a good guess. It was who was Hammad. Okay, it was who was Hammad. Unfortunately, we are out of time for this episode of Islamic Jeopardy. Dear viewers, I hope you learned